Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset Devolo 8868 Wi-Fi repeater in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the reset process. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Devolo 8868. Resetting the Devolo 8868 Wi-Fi repeater is necessary when it stops working properly, fails to connect with your router, or if you forget the login details. A reset clears all old settings and restores the device to factory defaults, allowing you to set it up fresh without errors. Now plug your Devolo 8868 into a working power outlet. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power/status LED is stable, not blinking heavily. This ensures the device is fully booted before the reset. Look for a small hole labeled reset on the side or bottom of the repeater. You will need a paper clip, pin, or similar pointed tool to press it. Insert your paper clip into the reset hole. Press and hold the button firmly for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until the LED indicators start blinking rapidly, or the lights briefly go out and then restart. This signals that the reset process has been triggered. After 10 to 15 seconds, release the reset button. The repeater will now reboot automatically. LEDs will go off, blink, and then stabilize as it restarts. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. After the reset, the repeater is now back to factory default settings. It will broadcast its default Wi-Fi name, SSID, usually something like Devolo XXXX. Check the sticker/label on the device. The default admin login and password, if required, are also printed on the label. After resetting the Devolo 8868 repeater, you need to reset it again. Just plug the repeater into a socket near your router, press the WPS button on your router, then press the WPS button on the repeater within 2 minutes. The LEDs will confirm the connection, and your repeater will start extending your Wi-Fi automatically. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.